Understanding the phrase, knockout. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we help make English easy and fun for you. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, knockout. You might have heard it in various contexts, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out together. The word, knockout, originally comes from the world of boxing. In a boxing match, if one fighter is hit so hard that he or she cannot get up before the referee counts to 10, it is called a knockout. The fighter who remains standing is declared the winner. However, knockout is not just a term used in sports. It has found its way into everyday language and is used in various contexts. 2.1 Describing a person. When describing a person, if you say that someone is a knockout, you are saying that they are extremely attractive or impressive. For example, did you see her at the party? She was an absolute knockout. 2.2 Describing a performance or product. It can also be used to describe a performance, product, or something that is impressively successful. For instance, the new iPhone model is a real knockout. It has amazing features. Now, let's look at some examples to see how you can use knockout in a sentence. 1. The lead actress in the movie was a total knockout. Her performance left the audience in awe. 2. That last-minute goal was a knockout, ensuring the team's victory in the tournament. 3. Have you tried the new restaurant downtown? Their signature dish is a real knockout. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use the phrase, knockout. Whether it's describing someone's stunning appearance or applauding a remarkable performance, knockout adds a punch of excitement to your language. We hope this video has been helpful and that you now feel more confident using this phrase in your daily conversations. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.